The house, a masterpiece crafted by BICA Arquitectos, nestled within the breathtaking landscape of Troya, Portugal. It was a harmonious blend of architecture and nature, a testament to the architect's commitment to sustainable design and respect for the environment. The house was strategically positioned to face the vast expanse of the sea, aligning itself with the surrounding buildings. However, it was not just a passive observer of the landscape, it was an active participant, shaping and enhancing the natural beauty of its surroundings. At the heart of the design philosophy was the preservation of the delicate ecosystem. The architects carefully sculpted a large dune, a protective barrier that shielded the house from the elements and reinforced the natural character of the site. This dune was not just a decorative element, it was a sustainable solution, constructed using sand excavated from nearby construction sites. The interior of the house was equally impressive, characterized by a central corridor that served as the spine of the building. Along this corridor, private spaces were symmetrically arranged, interspersed with serene courtyards that preserved the existing pine, eucalyptus, and shrubbery. To further enhance the dune's natural appeal, it was meticulously planted with native plant species, creating a vibrant tapestry of green that harmonized with the surrounding vegetation. A long palisade, crafted from durable fir wood, defined the perimeter of the house, subtly concealing its various volumes while preserving the integrity of the newly formed dune. At the end of the corridor, the social area opened up to the breathtaking sea views. This space was designed to blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, inviting the natural beauty of the landscape into the heart of the home. The rooftop terrace offered an elevated vantage point, allowing residents to immerse themselves in the panoramic views of the sea. It was a perfect spot for relaxation and contemplation, a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The swimming pool, a modern interpretation of a natural pond, seamlessly blended with the surrounding dunes. A gentle ramp, covered in a sand-based mortar, provided access to the pool, further emphasizing the connection to the natural environment. travertine, a stone that closely resembled the layers of sand, was incorporated into the material palette, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. The interior and exterior furniture, crafted from fir and ash wood, further enhanced the natural aesthetic of the house. The house in Troya was more than just a dwelling. It was a work of art, a harmonious fusion of architecture and nature. It was a testament to the power of sustainable design, a reminder that human ingenuity could coexist with the natural world, creating spaces of beauty and tranquility. The house's construction was a testament to sustainable building practices. A steel frame, clad in OSB panels and insulated with thermal insulation, formed the structural backbone of the building. The exterior and interior walls were finished with a sand-based mortar, creating a harmonious connection with the surrounding dunes. And there you have it, a stunning example of architecture seamlessly blending with nature. The house in Troya by BICA Arquitectos is a masterpiece that celebrates sustainable living and breathtaking design. If you were inspired by this architectural marvel, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content. We'll be exploring more awe-inspiring homes and innovative designs. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.